But it is day 14 of our truck build. Late start to the morning. Tom done park run. Then we went out and spent some time with my grandma at the nursing home. And then Caboodle had 4 out of 5 of my cabinets ordered, ready in Bunnings. One still not in, and the kitchen door fronts, as you are no longer available. I don't know. I'll post a little clip from last night of me trying to order that. So I've got to sort out door fronts because there's no way I'm waiting 8 to 10 weeks for basic level cabinetry door fronts. I might have to make our own, but we'll try to sort that out today. I think Tom is finishing the electrical off this morning, and we are also going to cut in the caravan personal door that we bought yesterday. I think that's sort of the goal, and we'll go from there. But it's cold today, and I don't really want to do anything except have coffee and eat fat food, so we'll see how we get on. I will add this to my day 14 video. After much meticulous research and costings and availability and pricing, I've just gone to order all the Caboodle Bunnings cabinet doors. The base units are fine. All the doors that were all in stock, I've just added them to my cart and tried to pay for them, and they've told me the lead time is now the 16th of fucking September. How? When it was all supposed to be in stock. I really hope this is easily sorted with a quick call to trade desk in Bunnings tomorrow when I go in. But oh my fucking god, September, that's not an option. If I can't get the doors, I guess I'll have to cut my own out of form ply and just do my own doors and drawer panels. But thank god all the base units are in stock, I think. Fingers crossed, look like it. But I just about had a coronary. If I was stressing over budget and truck builds before, I am really stressing over budget and truck builds now.
He's a site supervisor again today. Hey, Big Mimi. Mimi, are we doing a good job today? You think not?
Tom's getting ready to run the internals from for the electrics, and I've been measuring up where our new caravan door is going to go. So roughly there. Here's my little shower tray back. So it's my doorway. Come in with the groceries and I'll have my bed there if I come in this back door. But I think really most of the traffic is going to come through that door there. Tom is still working on electrics. I thought I'd go through my big pile of spotted gum and pick out the pieces I wanted for my bench top. There's 4.5 meters of nice stuff that doesn't have too many pocks or marks in it that I'll have to fill up to make it food safe. It's now set up in Mum's outdoor living area. Lucky she loves me, because I've also got a pile of spotted gum there and a heap of Caboodle and awnings here and some more spotted gum and pine over here, and my e-bikes are there, and on this side I've got some doors and my shower tray and our tools, and then half their backyard's taken up by a fire truck. So lucky me mum loves me, I reckon, or else she might turf me out. But I still got to use all this timber. So I think we're doing kickboards and overhead shelf fronts in that. That's definite. And then I think I'm also going to clad the little infills either side of the big back doors. I got like a 350mm spot either side of the door where the door jamb and stuff has to go. And then I'll wrap the door jamb as well. That'll use up a little bit more. And then I may also do a feature wall on one of the shower walls, clad it in the spotted gum. Everything else in the truck is black, so I might do a feature wall in that, and I might also do a feature bed head in that, and that will nearly use up all the spotted gum, maybe, but we've got miles and miles of it, so I think of spots where I want to use it now. Coming to the end of day 14, I will do a budget summary wrap up again tonight as well for the second week. We were going to cut the new caravan door in, but Tom mostly has been doing electrics all day, and it looks like it's going to come up to rain, so I really don't want to cut a big hole in the side if it's going to pour down. I ordered the cabinet fronts from Caboodle, and Bunnings said if the lead time's too long I can just cancel it for my money back, so that's something. And I went to Harvey Norman and bought a Starlink Mini. We already have the Starlink, but the new Mini is designed to be mounted permanently and it's low energy use, so just bit the bullet and bought that. Can't think of what else we bought today, but I'm sure we spent more money somewhere, but pretty much just been working on the electrics all day. Tom's nearly got the 240 volt system finished, and then we're just running a 12 volt system for some lights. It's got to be done as well. But it's one of those days we didn't feel like we did much, but Tom hasn't stopped going. Been an electrician all day, so try again tomorrow to do something constructive, I guess.